Hello everybody, back with another Octember failure. I believe this will be number 5. I was using my flashlight that goes on my head, and one of the tabs is broken off for the battery terminal cover. And as you can see, it's dead. But I can push in on it and it works. So I am going to come up with a solution to hold this in place, which is likely going to involve drilling a hole through the whole thing and putting a small nut and bolt on there, which will require a tool to get the battery out. But how often does a battery go down on an LED flashlight? Not that often. So let's get started. Alright, we've got the flashlight in the vise. I'm going to carefully attempt to drill this through. Alright. A little too far over. Let's see how that's doing. Okay, I see a bit of a problem. And it may be that, let's see, yeah, I got a little far over, unfortunately. It's very hard to see this. Again, this was a Christmas stocking stuffer, so no big loss if it doesn't work. But I'd like to get it fixed. Take that off and maybe get a little bit more room. Alright, I'm all the way through. We just got a bonus hole in it's all. Now I'll look through my hoard of nuts and bolts and see what I can find. And of course, as Octember would have it, the second tab is now broken, so I just added a second screw. And that seems to have made a good repair. I would like to get two that were just maybe a 1/4 inch longer. They just barely go through to the other side, but not enough to put a nut on. But the main thing is, it works. And I don't have to hold on to the edge of it anymore. There's high, low, and blink, and off. So this has been Octember fail number 5 and the repair. Thank you for watching.